just my perfectly baked funfetti cake. We're gonna go ahead and put that to the side and bring in a medium size bowl. And to our bowl, we are going to add our family size banana cream pudding for this super easy and yummy party dessert. This is the perfect dessert for a birthday party. And of course, we're gonna add our whole milk, and we are going to add about 2.5 cups of cold whole milk right into our bowl so that we can get this pudding nice and thick. Now, it does call for 3 cups, but I feel like it always is a little too thin for my liking. So I'm only gonna do 2.5 cups, and we are gonna whisk this together super well because we don't want any of that powdered stuff not mixed together with our milk. Now, you do have to use cold milk for this pudding, but you can use whatever kind of milk you like. You can use almond, you can use skim, but I'm using the whole because it is the fattiest, and this is not a healthy dessert. This is for indulging, this is for birthdays, this is for partying. I mean, what says party more than funfetti cake? Okay, but I think that does feel mixed well enough. So now we're just gonna let it sit and get thick. All right, and that is ready. We're now gonna bring in our little plastic wine glasses for this dessert. And we are gonna start off by scooping our funfetti crumbles right on the bottom of each of our glasses. We want a nice layer on the bottom of each one. Oh, it smells so good. I absolutely love funfetti cake, but you could do this with whatever cake you prefer. Strawberry cake, red velvet cake, but we are adding a good amount. I know it's nice and steamy in there, but that just means the cake is extra delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and fill up 6 of our glasses with our funfetti. Now that these have a layer of our cake crumbles, I'm coming in with some sliced bananas. And we are going to add a couple of our banana coins right on top of that cake crumble. This is just gonna really complement that banana cream pudding we have. And we are adding about 3 or 4 banana coins right on top of that cake mix. This is gonna be so good. I think that bananas and cake go so well together, and it's kind of a play on like a banana pudding, but in a small trifle kind of layered dessert. But we're gonna go ahead and get our bananas in here so we can go on to our pudding. Time to add that pudding, and I have just a cookie scoop so that this is easier to distribute. And we are gonna put that right on top of our bananas. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so just like with the cake mix, you can use whatever pudding you like. You could do a cheesecake pudding, a vanilla pudding. You could do a chocolate pudding, depending on what kind of cake mix you do. But like I said, we're doing this for a birthday, so I think that these flavors are gonna be so fun and so tasty. So we're using about half of our pudding for this first layer of our banana cream in each of these glasses. All right, we went ahead and smoothed out that pudding, and now we're gonna add another layer of our cake crumbles super fast. All right, we just finished those up super fast, and I think you guys can guess what's happening next. We're gonna do another layer of our bananas once again. All right, and you know it, we're adding our last layer of our banana pudding on top of those bananas. I have some homemade whipped cream in my piping bag, and we are finishing these off with a layer of whipped cream. Doesn't that just look so cute? All those layers. This is gonna be so delicious. You could do this with strawberries and make like a strawberry shortcake. You can do this however you want, but I am so happy with how these came out. My mom's birthday is tomorrow, and this is how we are celebrating. But of course, I'm gonna give these a try. Make sure that they taste good. Perfect. And to make these extra festive, of course we're gonna add some sprinkles. What would be a dessert without sprinkles? Just right on top. Isn't that so cute?
Oh, it looks awesome.
All right, now you can add whatever you want on top. You can add a nut, you can add some caramel sauce, you can add some strawberry sauce, or you can just leave it with the whipped cream, but this is what I want. Okay, it is time to try these. Look at those layers. I'm so excited. All right. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good bite. Oh my goodness. I will be making these for every birthday from here on out.